The parents of two teens killed in a shooting near the mall in Columbia earlier this year are accused of assaulting their son's suspected killer during a court hearing. Fox 45's Vincent Hill takes us through the chaotic moments in court.
Chaos in that courtroom indeed, and a legal expert says this could limit who, if anyone, is allowed in the murder trial. A murder suspect, now a victim himself. Courtroom audio obtained by our media partners at the Baltimore Sun captures the moments 18-year-old Emmetson Zeah is attacked.
This is his first appearance in the circuit court on these charges, is that correct?
That's correct.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Zeah is charged with the murder of 16-year-old Michael Robertson and 15-year-old Blake McCrae. According to police, that's the mother of Blake McCrae, Marche Edie. Police say she punched Zeah in the head and upper body. Zeah's mother can be heard screaming at Edie. Also inside that courtroom, Michael Robertson, the father of the 16-year-old. Police say he struck Zeah twice before being restrained. Both parents now charged with assault.
Well, the state will certainly know where to find their witness.
Attorney Kurt Nachman, not involved in the case, weighs in.
They'll also have the entire thing on audio and video recording, so it should be a fairly easy case to prove.
Howard County Police say Zeah shot and killed the two teens back in February. At the time, Zeah was on an ankle monitor for a previous attempted murder charge.
I suppose I can sort of conceptually understand why the family is upset and why they're heated, but it doesn't, give you the right to attack somebody, particularly in this instance, a person who would have been handcuffed.
As Zeah has yet to go to trial for the two murders, Nachman says the assault against him could affect how his murder trial plays out.
Ultimately, the security and safety of the courtroom is something that's within the sheriff's deputy's discretion as well as the judge's discretion. Judges in Maryland can close a courtroom,
keeping everyone out except members of the jury.
However, a criminal defendant in a case has an absolute right to a public trial. In this instance, maybe the parents are barred because of their behavior.
However, Nachman says there are key factors that would determine that. One of the most important, if the parents are called to testify about their child's death, which they likely could be. Ultimately, however,
a courtroom is not a place for that type of behavior.
Nachman says it will be up to the presiding judge of the murder trial to weigh in all safety before making a decision.
I suspect that any time that this case is going to be in court for the near term or the long term, you're going to see additional deputies in the courtroom. You're going to see additional, court personnel kind of placed in key areas to prevent these sort of altercations from happening again.
Now, both parents are due back in court on the 17th of next month. They're both charged with assault and disorderly conduct. In studio, Vincent Hill, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.